Everyone told you the internet is full, too much creator, too much content, too much late to start. And if you believe that, you are handed opportunity to someone else. And here's the truth, nobody telling you. People who beginning in 2026 who has not been started in earliest, they are the ones who started as small. I have studied hundred of creator. I have watched people go from 0 to 100,000 subscriber in under a year, starting in 2024, 2025 and right now in 2026. And I am going to tell you what they did that differently and what the too late myth actually cost you and how to think about content creation. The thing one that separate creator who blow up from creator who quit, and at the end your exact first step so you can start today. Point 1, too late lie. In 2012 people said YouTube was too crowded. In 2016 people said blogging was dead. 2019 people said podcasting was oversaturated. In 2022 people said short form video was finished. And every single year new creator broke through, build audience, build businesses. The too late story has been lie for every single time. So why would we believe that? Because it's felt true, and a feeling true is more powerful than facts until you replace them with actual information. Here the real data. Internet users worldwide have grown by 1.9 billion people since 2018. That means your potential audience is bigger today than it has ever been in history. The pie didn't get smaller, it got massive. And here's the part that should excite you. Most of the creator doesn't find their favorite creator yet. There are people right now, millions of them, and searching for someone who explains things that way you do, who has been through what you have been through, who see the world the way you see it. They just don't know your name yet. The room is not crowded, you're just not sitting in it. Point to the new advantage. And here the part what nobody tells you starting in 2026. You have advantage that creator in 2016 that could only dream about it. Advantage 1, the tools. 10 years ago to make a decent YouTube videos you need a camera, mic, a lighting setup, editing software, and probably 6 YouTube tutorials that figure out upload setting. And today your phone, a free app, and 1 hour is completely enough for making genuinely good. The barrier to entry has collapsed completely. Advantage to the knowledge. Every creator has ever made a mistake and they are already making video about it. Every strategy, every system, every growth hack, it's all documented, free, available right now. You have a 10-year head start in information before you even post your first video. Advantage 3, this one is my favorite. People are tired of perfect, polished, produced, scripted, fake. In 2026, audience are craving real, a real honest human. They want to feel like they are talking with a real human, not watching a commercial. You starting today with your phone and genuinely opinion, that's not a disadvantage. And this is the exactly what need right now in today. The late starter had the advantage it. You just need to start. Point 3, the real reason people don't start. Okay, I have to be straight with you here. Because timing is not actually why most people don't start. Timing is just the excuse that sounds smart enough that nobody question it. The real question is simpler and scarier. What if I start today and nobody watch? But the fear is real. I'm not going to dismiss it. But let me show you something. Mr. Beast first video 500 views only. He has right now 340 million subscriber. Ali Abdul said his first video are genuinely very pain to watch, and he now make millions from content business. Emma Camlin started in her bedroom with a cheap camera and 0 followers, and right now she become the most influencer creator in the whole planet. Every single person that you admire went from a phase where nobody watching, where the completely comment section is empty, where they upload and see nothing reaction. Point 4, the one thing that actually matter. I have watched lot of creators. I keep seeing the one pattern that who build something. It's not the ones with the best camera. It's not ones with the most followers on day one. It's not even the ones with the best ideas. It's the ones who are consistent. I don't mean you post every day until you burn out. I mean peak actually schedule and keep it up. One video a week for a year. That's a 52 video in a year. And here what happened to 90% of people? They post 3 times, they get 40 views, they quit. But the people who make it 10 video, 20 video, 30, and somewhere in there something clicks. The algorithm figures out who you are for. The audience finds you. One video land differently from the others, and because they still here and catch it. Point 5, your exact first step. Alright, enough theory, let me give you something real. Here is the exact plan for this week. Step 1, pick your topic, not what I am passionate about. Too vague you. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? what I have figured out that most people around me haven't, and what could I talk about for an hour without notes. That's your topic. Step 2, make a one video, not 10, only one. Pull out your phone, record yourself answering one question, your topic area. Keep it under 5 minutes. Don't write a script perfectly, just real talk. Step 3, post it. I don't care if it's perfect or not, just post it. Because the feedback you get from the one real video is worth more than 100 hours of planning. Step 4, check what happens. Check your analytics, see which part people watched longest, see where they dropped off. This is your real data, and that data tells you what to do in next. That's it. For step this week, no equipment needed, no special software. The only thing you actually need is decision to start. And here's where I will leave you. 5 years from now, the creator economy is going to be bigger than it's today. More audience, more money, more opportunity. The question is not whether there will be room, the question is whether you will win it. The people who start today in nervousness, imperfectly, no guarantee, those are the people who look back years in 3 years and say, I am so glad I didn't wait. And the people who wait, they will be watching someone else. If you do those 3 things above I told, you will be ahead of 90% of people who are still thinking. If you want to see an upcoming video where I am telling to about topics, where about the niche, you can just tap the subscribe button below. See you next one.